Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Once again, today is on the 5th of September, the 5th of September. And yesterday we had a very nice analysis again. So this is what I want you to mark. Since the first, we've been having back-to-back profitable day from the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So yesterday was the fourth, and the fourth we were looking for sales below 24.91, and we did get that. We got this move. If you only had a sell stop of down over here, activated, push to take profit one, push all the way to take profit two, and immediately the market hit take profit two, came back up. See the way the market did? Immediately it hit take profit two, boom, and reversed, came back up. So that means that our analysis was on point, completely on point. All right. So the buys were supposed to be 24.98, but yeah, haven't really happened. It's actually now doing it right now, but we have to do a fresh new analysis for the day today. On to the fundamentals. What do we have? We have, today is on the 5th. We have the ADP coming at 315. The ADP will be coming in at 315. We'll be having the 330, the unemployment claims following up. Suit again. 4:45 we'll be having the PMI and the PMI on service report as well will be coming out at 5 p.m. Then crude oil inventories at 6 p.m. All right, so it's a busy afternoon today in terms of trading USD pair. Very busy afternoon. Okay, keep an eye on that. Ooh, this is already pushing. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna assume we're not seeing that. Going to avoid something that is called FOMO and leave it because we haven't done any analysis. So we're not going to be enticed to just take a trade which we haven't really planned for. All right, that is called discipline. It doesn't matter how good it's moving, but the fact is I have not planned for it, so it's not on my plan, and I need to be aware of what I'm getting myself into. So monthly resistance, monthly support over here, monthly support. There we go. Imagine this is the September candle still. The September candle is just as tiny as you can see over there. All right, so those are monthly resistance, support. We do these as the weekly. I'm gonna consider the low of the weeks. I need to try something new. Weekly support over there. Yep, weekly support coming in over, so I can actually even move it over there. All right, let's go. Let's go. Actually, I'm gonna put it there. This is the most immediate low. Then we have the daily over here, daily support. Daily support is over here. Then we're gonna go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, we're gonna see the H4 support, new H4 support that is been formed over here by yesterday's move, new H4 support. And in terms of resistance, we have this resistance over here, not yet broken. So we have H4R and H4S. Okay, we go down to weekly, to daily, sorry, what do you call it? 1 hour. Go down to 1 hour. When we get down to 1 hour, we're gonna get this as the most immediate support, H1 support. H1 support over here. Need to minimize this one just a bit, like that, and then move it up there. H1 support is over there, just formed, and that's where this candle is coming from the H1 support. So this one was another better area to buy actually. All right, so now where we are right now, we have an active candle. We cannot ignore the fact that before this candle just pushed up, this was an area over here. All right, so this would have been the H1, and it's still the H1 resistance. The reason why I'm calling it H1 resistance and the candle has already passed up is because the candle has not yet closed. When this candle closes, the H1 candle closes and it's closing the next 6 minutes, then this is going to be a broken resistance now, right? So if we had done the analysis a bit earlier, then we would be targeting breaks above that point. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Over there. Good. 30 minutes, what do we have in 30 minutes? We've got a close above that point would be reasonable, but then we would be targeting that point where the market has already topped. This is a small range where we're going to play with the market over there. All right, let's see what we can get from this. Good. So what we're going to do is we're looking for potential sales below potential sales below 24.9. I would say 24.91. You know what? 24.91 would be good. 24.91. Let's sell from below that point. Just to be, we want to be very, very, very safe with our orders. We do that, push down to this point, like that. Stop loss, we put it above that area over there. And we say that this is going to be our TP uno and TP dos. TP2. So TP1, TP2 over there. All right. In terms of buys, we could have taken buys above this point, like we say possible buys above the 25.01 area. Actually, this is gonna be a bit tricky. Let's see. Yeah, 25.01. Possible buys above 25.01. That means by possible buys above 25.01, what it means is, should we have a candle, this candle closing above that line, then we could start, good maybe. But then the problem is this, the next range is over here, and that's where this candle has tapped, and now it's being rejected as the time is 3 minutes to close of the candle. You know what? It is not, it's possible aggressive. Let's call it aggressive. Let's call it aggressive, actually. Yeah. But on that note, what I want to see is over here, very nice potential buys. Potential safe buys. Above 25.07.5. Do we call it 0.5, 25.08? Just round it off to 25. 25.08. Yeah, now this is another long range order that we can actually feast on. And this is going to take us all the way to the new high, to the highest of high that is there. All right, so TP1 over here, TP1, TP2, TP3. All right, something like that. We got something like that coming in. So that is what we are looking at now. That is what we're gonna keep an eye on and see. Should this candle, should it kind of close like that, because it's closing the next maybe 1 minute and something and some seconds. If it closes, then probably if you want to take the aggressive buy, you can take an aggressive buy over here, stop loss just below this point, and boom, 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 push up and up and up and up and up with it. Should it break above this point, even better, and you continue with the buys all the way up. But if you want to do the safe buys, wait for a break above this point, close above this point, then take the buys and continue with them. On the sells, wait for a candle closing below this wick over here, this 24.91, and push down with it over there. All right, so that's what we're keeping an eye on today. Let's see how that behaves, and definitely keep in check your risk management. Do not overtrade. Trade what you see, not what you think should be happening in the market, right? Don't chase the markets. Like right now, you see what's happening right now? It's very easy for you to jump in for the buys. Very easy. Because you'll be chasing the market at this point. You see, this is a high already. I told you the best place that you could have bought this market right now was this point. This was a low. It was on a support level. You could have bought over here. But if you did not buy, buying it over here, the next possible move is that this market will first of all push down, and you can see the way it's doing. The candle has already closed. It's first of all push down, probably to this level. Then when it gets to this level, then start going back up, right? That's why I'm calling it aggressive. It's aggressive buys. Why also? Because also we have on the left, we have a lot of rejections and very small areas for you to trade. All right. So let's keep an eye. Let's see what this market will do. And we convene again tomorrow as we do. Tomorrow we have NFP. We're doing NFP tomorrow again. If you would be interested, reach out to me. My number is on the channel over there. Reach out to me. Hit me up. Just let me know who you are and where you got my number. Don't just send hi. I need a link. I mean, make a conversation, you know. All right, guys, let's see you tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, we shall do the pre-NFP analysis. Then we shall do our normal analysis. We shall start with our normal analysis. Then we shall do the pre-NFP analysis. Then we shall do the NFP trading itself, live NFP trading. Okay. So tomorrow is a busy day. Keep up with us and take care, and let's see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, and have a good one. Have a blessed day.